Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home for sale located in Whitewater Meadows, St. Catherine. Features includes gorgeous kitchen with island and built-ins, open dining with wooden rafter ceiling with modern chandelier, living room with screen porch, wooden stairs to loft bedroom ensuite, master bedroom ensuite with large closets, 3 additional bedrooms and full bathroom, laundry and ample storage, covered single carport, and room for a second parked car. Bonus features include mini split AC units, diesel generator, water tank, electric water pump, transfer switch, solid dog kennels, automatic gate, house wired for security response, grassed front yard with a bearing mango tree. What a deal! The land area of this house is approximately 3,574 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 29.5 million or US $191.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.